Welcome back, grade 11s. Now let's wrap up our lesson. Let us look at the concept map. This is an overview of what our lesson was all about, each and every subtopic that we unpacked. We started with the meaning and importance of an action plan, moved on to the steps for drawing an action plan, and then we still proceeded to meaning and project planning steps, and lastly we looked at the project planning tools. Now, the new words and language that we came across throughout the lesson. An action plan, we said it's a document stating what must be done, who will do it, and by when it will be done. Then work breakdown structure organizes the business plan into different tasks and identifies what needs to be done. Then we came across the word timelines, a planning tool that indicates dates and sequence of activities. And lastly, there was a word that cropped up during our lesson, which is Gantt chart, a planning tool that indicates dates, duration, and sequence of activities. Now let's look at the common errors and recap. In this lesson, you were introduced to the transformation of a business plan into an action plan. So by now, you must be able to discuss the importance of an action plan and explain the project planning steps. You must be able to discuss the importance of the 3 planning tools, namely your timelines, Gantt charts, or work breakdown structure and project planning, and must also know how to construct Gantt chart. So as we are about to wrap up this lesson, here's a challenge that I'm giving you. You need to draw up an action plan that MC will follow when building a library. Use the table to guide your answer. First, we'll look at the action steps. What will be done when they build that library? Secondly, we move on to responsibilities. You write down who will do it. Then we move on to timeline. By when should the library be completed? So you need to fill in those spaces. So I hope today's lesson was so fruitful to you and you are going to apply what we've learned today in the future when you change that business plan of yours into an action plan. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.